I'm Gabriela Campos-Cardwell. I'm a senior planning engineer, water treatment at Watercare. So I am in the water suppliers part of the industry. Me and my small team are responsible for planning all the drinking water projects for Auckland for the next 30 years. So that means that we have to identify the projects, plan for them, find money for them, and then start running the projects as well. So I work with around 10 to 15 projects at the same time. So of course, Auckland is growing a lot and we need to have more water sources, more water treatment plants, more pipes to ensure everybody has safe and sufficient drinking water. But some projects are related to renewals because our water treatment systems in Auckland have been here for a long time and they get old. So for example, this plant where we are today is around 100 years old. So it is about time that we get a new Huia water treatment plant, and we are already working pretty hard on that. In high school, I was always very interested in chemistry and maths. These were my favorite subjects, and a little bit of physics as well. And of course, all the subjects are very important to be a chemical engineer, which is what I am. Yes, so I'll show you. Again, it is still very good today, still 0.03. In my job, you definitely need people skills. As a planning engineer, I work with so many internal teams in Watercare. I work with many consulting companies which execute the projects for us. So you need to have a great communicator, and if you have a little bit of charm, that's good as well. It is all good, I promise. It's very good if you can get people to help you. Communication, it's great in this industry. So my job has a strong need for taking care of the environment. So if you're designing a water treatment plant like this, all your chemicals would have a secondary containment. So if a chemical tank leaks, it's not going to go into the environment, it's still going to be protected. Or when you are trying to find a new water source to provide more water to Auckland, you have to make sure that you are not taking too much water so that the river is not going to dry, the aquifer is not going to dry. You need comprehensive environmental assessments to prove that. So we need to take the environment into everything that we do. A lot of people think doctors are the ones that can save the biggest amount of lives, but no, as a drinking water engineer, you can save so many lives yourself. There are many developing countries that really don't have very good drinking water and wastewater systems, and there are lots of people still dying from things as simple as diarrhea around the world. So if you make sure that they have good wastewater treatment plants and drinking water treatment plants, then they're not going to get sick and die.